Hey everyone, it's Koya Renee and I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to show you all how I prep for my install, and I usually start off with freshly washing my hair, making sure that my hair is detangled and getting in the shower. And yes, I have on a top. I am not completely naked, honey. I can't be showing y'all my goodies all on YouTube. So what I'm going to do first is go in with my coconut milk from Cream of Nature shampoo, and then I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections just so that I can make sure that product gets evenly distributed throughout my hair, and so that I can make sure that my hair is really clean. And so I know that most of you, of course, know how to wash your hair. But for my young girls, my young sisters, my baby sisters that have tuned into this video, what you want to do is make sure that you're gently scraping your scalp so that you can make sure that you get all that residue, all that greasiness, whatever you had in your hair. You want to make sure you're gently scrubbing your scalp so that you can get all of that product, whatever you had in your hair, out of it. And then I like to rinse my hair, shampoo my hair twice, and then I am going to go in with my Aussie moisture conditioner after that. So here I am just sectioning my hair off for the second time, and I'm going in with my second shampoo process. And the reason that I like to shampoo my hair twice is because I have dry scalp, y'all, and if you have a problem with dandruff, you definitely need to make sure that you're shampooing your hair twice whenever you wash your hair or whenever you decide to use your shampoo. And also whenever I am going to get installs, I have to make sure that my scalp is very clean so that it can get that good conditioning in. Once I go in with my conditioner and my deep conditioning, I want to make sure that my hair is clean and free of any product so that it can take in that new product and soak up everything that I put on my hair. So now I'm going to take that Aussie moist conditioner, and then I'm just going to place that all over my hair. I'm going to make sure that I'm massaging my scalp with it so my scalp can have a lot of moisture in it once I go in to install my hair. And also I'm just going to massage it and work that product all throughout my hair. So next, I just like to take my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. I like to do it when the conditioner is on my hair because, of course, your hair is a little bit softer now, or a lot softer now. If it's not moving through gently, I should have added a little bit more so the comb could have went through a little bit more gently. You can add some more conditioner, but I didn't want to add any more conditioner. I was trying to kind of rush through that process, so I just kind of rake that comb throughout my hair, still trying to be a little gentle. Make sure y'all ain't as rough as I was, but yes, make sure that you're detangling your hair with that conditioner on it because it makes the detangling process a lot easier. And so after that, y'all, I'm going to take this top off and I'm going to bathe the rest of my body. And now after I rinse that stuff out my hair, y'all, I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner, and it's from Shea Moisture. I like to scoop some out and put it on a plate and then just rub it all in and mush it all up. And then I like to section my hair off once again into 4 small sections. I clip off 2 of those sections, and then I work on the other 2 sections. And what I like to do is spray my hair with a water bottle, and then I go in with that product, working it all throughout my hair and massaging it into my scalp. And then I spray my hair once again to move the product around so that I won't use as much product, because this stuff get expensive, y'all. Shea Moisture a little too high for me, honey, so I gotta scratch my product. And wouldn't you want to scratch your product, use more water to make sure that it sucks up all that product and to move it around as well. So once again, I'm going to go in with that wide tooth comb just to make sure that my hair is easily detangled. And then I'm going to put my hair in a twist, and then I'm just going to move on to the next section and do the same thing to each section of my hair. And I know it looks like I used a lot of product, but I like to use a lot of this deep conditioner on my hair because my hair gets really dry. So I have to make sure that I use a lot of this product, y'all, because when your hair is going underneath the install, ain't much moisture gonna get to the braids underneath that install. So you got to make sure you're using a lot of moisture before you or when you're prepping for your sew-ins. I was in a little bit of a rush, like I said in the beginning of the video, so I just started kind of slapping the product, and it just started kind of like getting everywhere. So I just started kind of just rushing the process, but definitely make sure you take your time, y'all. Make sure that you're massaging it and working it into your scalp, and making sure that you're using your spray bottle to move around that product. So once I'm done with that, I just like to further detangle the rest of my hair, and then I'm just going to play around a little bit with it because I just like to touch my natural hair, y'all. It feels so good when you have that deep conditioning mask on your hair. So after that, I'm done finagling with my hair. I'm going to place a plastic cap on my hair, and usually what I would do is go under a dryer with the plastic cap on, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just going to leave this deep conditioning mask on for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to wash it out. Once I've washed that deep conditioning mask out my hair, I like to go in with my leave-in conditioner from Shampoo, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it because I don't want my hair to have too much product on it when I go in, or when my sister goes in to braid my hair. She doesn't like for my hair to feel really greasy because she has a hard time braiding my hair down. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to work it inside or work it on my hair and on my I don't know why I'm having a hard time talking, but I'm going to work it everywhere throughout the roots and the shaft of my hair. I am going to just continue to massage this into my hair and detangle my hair. And then I was going to let y'all see how I got my braids, but my sister moves like a turtle. So now you all can see how that I look like Cleo from Set It Off, honey. And I'm just going to take some more of that Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to further put that all over my braids now, because my braids are done now, so I can just put a little bit more of that product all over my braids. And then after that, I'm going to take me some oils that I have mixed up. I have some wild growth oil, some Jamaican black castor oil, some olive oil, and some other type of oils mixed in there, and I'm just going to put that all over my braids and on my scalp in between my braids. So next, what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm actually going to sew on my net onto my hair. I'm not going to allow you all to see that though, because it just takes me entirely too long. But you all have reached the end of this video of how I prep for my sew-ins, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune in for my next video to see the finished look and how I styled my hair. I love you all so much. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.